Hello everyone. Today I wanted to show you a little demo that I've been working on. I wanted to extend GBStudio games with external functions, like having, for example, a magnifying glass show things that are not present normally in the game, or just like do something like this. So when you select an option here, as you can see, this memory value is going to change. So depending on the selection that I do, it's actually going to be selecting one or another. If I cancel, it will set it to 0. I can just create another case here for cancel, for example, and I'm going to be showing a message box, yo click cancel. So if I run this and I click on something, I'm going to trigger, for example, cancel. Oh, no, I was in cancel already, so I have to click something else. For example, YouTube. If I click now on Notepad, it will open up Notepad for me. And as you can see, the value is changed here. And if I click on cancel, as you can see, it's actually getting feedback from the game. You can also show GitHub. This is the repository for the library that's actually triggering everything. I have not made it public. It's actually supporting many emulators right now, but I am still working on it. I'm going to be, let's close this. I'm going to be showing this on a different emulator. Let's go with, oh, you click cancel. Oh yeah, because I closed the emulator and the actual value just changed to 0. So in order to show you this on another emulator, I have to close all the instances, and I can run, for example, Visual Boy Advance, run the game, run the memory viewer thing. It detects the emulator automatically, and I have to run the backend here. So let's change, for example, instead of going to my YouTube channel, we can do both actions, like this. Let's go to YouTube and switch in AutoHotkey, which is the language that this is written on. Yeah, there's no return, right? Okay, I think this should work. So if I click on, let's click on cancel first. Oh yeah, I'm in 0 value already. So let's go to Notepad. Let's go to Notepad now. Let's cancel it now. It should show. You click cancel, and let's go to YouTube. Let's go to YouTube. Accept. Yeah. And just for the sake of showing you more examples, let's just try it with MGBA. I've got to run the game, then run EmuHook, memory viewer, and then let's go run the backend, the trigger functions. Let's go to Notepad. Let's go to GitHub. Oops, you're not seeing this actually. Let's go to GitHub. It's changed here to number 3, and let's go to YouTube. You will see that this value actually changes to 1, and then it tries to go to YouTube. And let's cancel. So yeah, this is basically the demo. I've got another version of the memory viewer, which is Memory Viewer Classic. And in this version, you can actually change the value. Let's go change it to 1, which should be the option for YouTube. So if I set the value, this will change to 1 here and here, and it will trigger this function. It will show the message, let's go to YouTube, and we'll try to go to YouTube. So you can see it changed here, and it wanted to go to YouTube. Another thing that I can show you is that I've got another version that actually creates a TCP server, and I can just make it work with PuTTY. Let's go to EmuHook, which is actually at localhost port 8000. Well, I'm running this config right here, which actually updates every 300 milliseconds. It goes for GBC ROM types, and the process name is auto because it's able to detect the running emulator, but you could say here MGBA, BGB, Dolphin, DuckStation, whatever emulator you are running, you can just set the process name here. And I'm reading this value, which is actually the menu value, 1 byte. I can also make it force to write values into the game, which would essentially be like a code breaker or a game shark code, but I do not want that here. I've got other profiles, like for example one for Pokemon Crystal. Let me see if I can see it, which should show a I could change this. Yeah, I could change this to options, which should be like this, options, and it should be 0 for cancel, so none, 1 for YouTube, 2 for I think it's Notepad, and 3, well, I could set it default for none, and 3 for it was YouTube, GitHub. So if I run the memory viewer right now, I should be able to see what menu we are actually in. Well, those are my birds. I don't know if you can hear them. But basically, if I set it to cancel, it will set it to none. If I set it to GitHub, it will go to GitHub here, you can see. And what I was showing you was the network version, which is actually this one. And it will actually be showing you, right now you can see the value is 3. But if I set it to cancel, the value should be 0. So you can see now that the value, if I stop this madness, basically you can see that the value is actually 0. And if I set it to, I don't know, YouTube, which should be value number 1, you see that the value is actually 1. So this is a network version that you can integrate with any language. And yeah, hope you like this video.